Maybe it's a new job or a long overdue raise.
This legislation is long overdue, and it's been a long time coming.
It's an action that is long overdue. That's long overdue.
With America's overdue recognition also comes responsibility. Our responsibility as citizens and as a nation to always remain worthy of your service.
Open up those markets. So my attitude is it's way overdue for us to stop trying to satisfy some branch of the party and take some common sense steps to help America and to create jobs and to help the middle class.
Let me also add that the reform of the United Nations Security Council is long overdue and remains a high priority to South Africa, the African continent, and the developing world as a whole.
As one family member has said, this is long overdue.
We are on the front lines of a long overdue national change, fixing a broken health system.